2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.